This WDB file is from Microsoft Works, which has been dead for years. Modern Excel cannot open this database format directly. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. We are going to use a specific converter to rescue this old data. I always keep a magic software utility on standby for the toughest WDB files. That's our guaranteed solution if the initial steps don't work. Functionally, the WDB is a specific manifestation of the database file format. It uses the Microsoft Works database format to store its contents. The WDB file is a proprietary database format used by Microsoft Works, now discontinued. It functions as an integrated file containing tables, records, and application data from Works Spreadsheet, database, or word processor components. It is not an open standard and relies on backward compatibility for viewing. Developed by Microsoft, the format is closed source and highly specific to the Works suite. Its design integrates all data types into a single structure. Accessing its content requires the Microsoft Works application or a modern Office suite like LibreOffice that has built-in converters to correctly read the legacy file structure. The fundamental reading standard for WDB is set by Microsoft Works from Microsoft Corporation. Full file integrity and validation must be managed by the proprietary software. Windows cannot inspect database queries, so full access requires a DBMS application. We are checking for a viable reader. Right-click your WDB file and select Open With. Use Microsoft Works if installed. If it's not there, try a different program. We need to find the correct decoder. When a WDB file fails to open, it is usually for a basic reason. We've got this under control. If the WDB file is still closed, it's one of 3 basic reasons. Here's a list with the common problems and how to check each one. First, use Microsoft Works. Open the file using Microsoft Works Database, WKSDBXE, as this is the primary application for creating and managing WDB files. Next, try Text Editor. Attempt to open the file with a basic text editor to see if any readable data can be salvaged and identify the file content. Finally, find alternative converter. Use a structured storage viewer or a specialized utility tool to convert the WDB file to a more modern and accessible format, like .xlsx or .csv. When every installed app fails to open the WDB file, the only practical next step is a specialized tool designed for resistant formats. It's worth trying. I advise using the FileMagick Universal Viewer. It's the ultimate solution for dealing with the WDB format. Visit filemagick.com to get your copy. Your viewership is awesome. Please like the video and subscribe to catch more of my expert content. Hope your file stays open.